In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step system I use to create faceless YouTube videos with AI, from idea to published video. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what you actually need. Forget everything you think you know about starting a YouTube channel. You don't need a camera. You don't need a studio. You don't need to be on screen. You don't need editing skills. And you definitely don't need to spend money. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the right free AI tools. That's it. Everything else, the script, the voice, the visuals, the subtitles, the thumbnail, AI handles all of it. You just make the decisions. The faceless YouTube model is one of the fastest growing content formats right now. Channels in niches like finance, tech, health, and self-improvement are generating millions of views and thousands of dollars per month, all without ever showing a single frame of their face. And here is the thing most people get wrong. They think they need to be ready before they start. They wait for the perfect setup, the perfect niche, the perfect script. But perfect never comes. The channels that win are the ones that start before they feel ready and improve along the way. I started this channel with zero experience and zero budget. Everything I use is free. And by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to do exactly the same thing. You can start today, right now, with zero budget and zero experience. The tools exist, they are free, and in this video, I will show you exactly how to use them. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Pick your niche. This is the most important decision you will make for your channel. The right niche means the difference between a channel that grows and one that gets zero views. The best niches for faceless channels in 2026 are AI tools and technology, personal finance and investing, health and wellness, productivity and self-improvement, and online business. These niches have high search volume, high advertiser demand, and audiences that actually watch till the end. But here is what most people get wrong. They pick a niche based on what they think will make money, not what they actually know or enjoy. And then they run out of ideas after 3 videos and quit. Don't make that mistake. Pick something you are genuinely interested in. You will be creating content about it every single week. If you hate the topic, you will quit in month 1. But if you enjoy it, you will keep going long enough to see real results. Also, think about the audience you want to attract. Who are they? What problems do they have? What questions are they searching for on YouTube? The more specific your niche, the easier it is to grow. A channel about AI tools for small business owners will grow faster than a channel about technology in general. And in this game, consistency always wins. The channels that make money are not the most talented ones. They are the ones that showed up every week for 6 to 12 months without quitting. Step 2. Write your script with AI. This used to take hours. Now it takes minutes. I use Claude AI for every single script on this channel. It is free, it is fast, and the quality is genuinely impressive. Here is my exact process. I open Claude and I type one simple prompt. Write a YouTube script about this topic. Target audience is beginners. Length is 8 minutes. Make it engaging and easy to understand. And in under 30 seconds, I have a complete script. Hook, main content, call to action, everything included. Then I spend about 10 minutes editing it, adjusting the tone, adding personal touches, making sure it sounds natural when spoken out loud. That is it. What used to take 3 hours now takes 15 minutes total. The key is giving Claude enough context. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. Tell it your niche, your audience, your tone, and your target length. Claude handles the structure, the flow, and the wording. You just refine the final result and make it your own. And here is something most people overlook. After Claude writes the script, read it out loud before recording. If something sounds unnatural or awkward when you say it, fix it. The script should sound like a real conversation, not a written essay. That one small step makes a huge difference in how engaging your final video sounds. Claude handles the heavy lifting. You just make the final decisions. That is the whole system. Step 3. Create your voiceover with ElevenLabs. This is where the magic happens. ElevenLabs has a free plan with AI voices so realistic that most viewers genuinely cannot tell the difference from a real human voice. The process is incredibly simple. You go to ElevenLabs.io, pick a voice that matches your channel's tone, paste your script, and click Generate. In 20 seconds, you have a broadcast quality voiceover. No microphone, no recording booth, no background noise issues, no retakes. I recommend choosing a voice that sounds confident and friendly, something that keeps people engaged for the full length of your video. The voice is your brand. Stick with the same one for every single video so your audience starts to recognize it immediately. The free plan gives you enough minutes every month to produce multiple videos. And if your channel grows and you need more, the paid plan starts at just $5 a month, still a fraction of what a real voice actor would cost. One more tip. After generating your voiceover, always listen to the full audio before moving to editing. Sometimes AI mispronounces a word or adds an unnatural pause. Catch it early and regenerate just that section. It saves you a lot of time in the editing stage. Think about it. Professional voiceover artists charge anywhere from $200 to $500 per finished hour. ElevenLabs gives you the same quality for free. That is one of the biggest advantages of building a channel in 2026 versus just 5 years ago. Step 4. Edit your video in CapCut. CapCut is completely free and has everything you need to produce professional-looking videos. No experience required, no complicated interface, no expensive subscription. Here is my exact workflow. First, I import the voiceover into CapCut. Then, I add stock footage from Pexels on top. Pexels has thousands of free HD videos you can use without any copyright issues. Then, I click Auto Subtitles, and CapCut generates them automatically in under 2 minutes. Subtitles are not optional. Studies show that 85% of videos on social media are watched without sound. Subtitles keep people watching even when they are in public, on the train, or in a quiet office. They also improve your video's accessibility and help with YouTube's algorithm. After subtitles, I adjust the style. Bold font, high contrast colors, easy to read on any screen size. Then, I add background music at low volume to fill the silence between sentences. Then, export at 1080p, and the video is ready. The key to fast editing is having a system. Every video follows the exact same steps in the exact same order. Once you do it 3 or 4 times, it becomes completely automatic. What takes an hour today will take 30 minutes after a month of practice. My entire editing process takes under 1 hour from start to finish. Descript charges $24 a month for similar AI features. CapCut gives you all of it for free. That is the power of building a channel in 2026. Step 5. Create your thumbnail and optimize for search. Your thumbnail is the single most important factor in whether people click on your video. A great video with a bad thumbnail gets 0 views. A decent video with a great thumbnail can go viral overnight. I generate all my thumbnails using Gemini AI. The formula is simple. Dark background, bold red and green text, logos of the tools I mention, a shocked emoji, and an AI robot figure on the right side. High contrast, easy to read on a phone screen. The whole process takes about 2 minutes and costs nothing. For the title, include the exact words people are searching for on YouTube. Use numbers in your title because they boost click-through rate. Titles like 5 free tools or 7 ways to consistently outperform generic titles. Keep it under 60 characters so it doesn't get cut off in search results. Write a detailed description with timestamps, tool links, and relevant keywords. YouTube's algorithm reads your description to understand what your video is about. The more detail you provide, the better your chances of appearing in search results. Add 25 to 30 relevant tags. Think about what your target viewer is typing into the search bar. Those exact phrases should appear in your title, description, and tags. This small step takes 5 minutes, but makes a massive difference in how many people discover your video organically over time. Step 6. Publish at the right time and promote your video. Timing matters more than most people realize. YouTube's algorithm judges your video in the first 24 to 48 hours after publishing. If it gets strong engagement early, Clicks, likes, comments, watch time. The algorithm pushes it to more people. For a US audience, the best days to publish are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The best time is between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Time. That is when your target viewers are most active on the platform. Schedule your video in advance so it goes live automatically at exactly the right moment. After publishing, don't just sit and wait. Share your video immediately in relevant Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and Twitter. Write a short, engaging post with a hook and a link. Don't just say, "Check out my new video." Give people a reason to click. Engage with every single comment you receive in the first 48 hours. Reply to questions. Thank people for watching. Ask follow-up questions. This signals to YouTube that your video is generating real engagement and boosts its distribution significantly. And the most important thing of all, be consistent. Post one video per week minimum. The channels that grow are not the ones with the best production quality. They are the ones that show up every single week without fail. 6 months of consistent posting will change your channel completely. Before you go, if this video gave you a clear path to starting your own faceless YouTube channel, hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And if you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right now. Every single week, I post new videos showing you exactly how to build an online business using free AI tools. No fluff, no paid courses, just actionable steps you can implement today. The next video is already in the works, and trust me, you do not want to miss it. So there you have it, the complete system for starting a faceless YouTube channel with AI in 2026. No camera, no microphone, no budget required. Just the right tools and the willingness to show up consistently every single week. Every tool mentioned in this video is completely free. All links are in the description below. Claude for scripting, ElevenLabs for voiceover, CapCut for editing, Canva for thumbnails, and Meta Business Suite for scheduling. All free, all beginner friendly. Start today, not tomorrow. The best time to start was a year ago. The second best time is right now. See you in the next one.